Manu was in a bad mood. He was angry. Mummy asked him what happened, but he shouted at his mother saying, "I don't want to talk." Then Mummy also got angry and scolded Manu. After 5 minutes, Mummy saw that Manu was crying. She felt bad for him. She asked him again gently, "What happened?" Manu replied, "I am angry because I woke up late and now there is no time to play. I feel sad when I don't get to play." Mummy said, "It's okay to be sad sometimes. From now, have a fixed time to sleep and a fixed time to play so that you don't miss any of those things." She gave a hug to Manu. They both felt much better after that.